In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the handle on your Jeep Grand Cherokee located on the tailgate. Open up the tailgate. On the tailgate panel itself, there's going to be 3 Phillips head screws, one right here, and then there's 2 on either side. We're going to remove the upper center one here first. We'll go ahead and get those other 2 out. And on the top side here, there's going to be the last 2 Phillips head screws, so there's a total of 5. Grab the tailgate panel, just give it a quick little tug, and work your way around the perimeter, releasing the plastic retaining buttons. Once we get our trim released, I'll go ahead and pop this up off of the center of the glass and lower this down. Go ahead and set this trim panel aside. Once you have the tailgate panel down, I want to go ahead and remove our water shield here. And you should be able to gently peel this off. Now if it should tear, it's not the end of the world. We'll simply use some tape to secure that back in place later on. On the back side of the handle itself, there's going to be 2 12mm nuts, one here, one on the other side by the rod. I'm going to go ahead and spray these down with some rust penetrant, and we'll go ahead and remove the nuts. We have our rod right here. This is the actuator rod that goes to the handle itself. Now we're going to pop this out of the retainer clip that supports it. I'm going to use a black Sharpie marker. I'm going to mark the threads right up against it. That way there, when we reinstall, that rod needs to go into that retaining clip to that black marker point. Use our pocket screwdriver, and we want to undo the clip. I'm going to snap this down, fold it down, and pull the rod out sideways. You can see the black marker right there. Just tuck that off. And once you have these nuts removed, you can pull the handle out through the top side. Then you want to go ahead and lower that bracket down. And we're going to take our handle and we're going to put that in through the top. Drop that down inside. Go ahead and feed our bracket back up inside here. We're just going to get the handle studs to come through the bracket. I'm going to get one of the nuts started here just to secure it in place. Go ahead and snug down that nut, and then we'll go ahead and repeat for the other side. All right, now that we have that nice and secure, we want to go ahead and install our rod here. I'm going to use our flathead screwdriver and just pop open this little latch component here. Now on this particular unit, the clip is reversed, so our black line is actually going to be on the bottom side of the handle instead of the top. You're gonna line that up, snap that into place, fold our locking clip over, and I'm just gonna reach up on top and make sure that that operates nice and smooth. Now at this point, we can go ahead and line up our water shield and try and stick this in place where it was before. Now, sometimes the adhesive isn't good anymore. So what you can simply do is use some other tape. Secure that in place. I'm going to use a few pieces of this tape just to hold it in place. I'm going to do this around the perimeter. Before we install our tailgate trim panel, you want to go around the perimeter and look in any of the holes here. You might find a trim button that might have popped off the panel. I'm going to go ahead and remove these, and we're going to install them onto our tailgate panel, because these are retainer lock buttons to secure this in place. Install the buttons in their original location here. All right, let's go ahead and install our trim bezel. Push our buttons up and into place. Our side trim panels, snap those up and in. At this point, we're going to install our 2 upper screws here. You want to gently snug these down. You don't want to over tighten them. Just once they bottom out, just snug them gently. Going to install our 3 screws down by the base pull handle. And once you tighten down this last screw, you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.